Hey, I just changed. I'm like Superman, right? I was in Marine Corps uniform, but now I'm in my regular clothes. The reason why I wanted to share with you today, I want to share something different with you this afternoon. Everybody in this place needs a place to live. And if you served in the country, in the military, they have a great thing called the VA loan. Anybody ever used a VA loan before? I see quite a few hands. That's great. Well, what are the benefits of VA loan? The VA loan benefits are, it's 100% financing. So no money down from you, 100% by the VA. Number two, it's a big one. No mortgage insurance. If you have a VA loan, you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. But if you don't use a VA loan, they're going to charge you a PMI. And basically, if you have a $400,000 home, you're looking at $300 extra a month on your mortgage for that home mortgage insurance, which that pretty much kills you. You know, makes it more expensive. But the VA loan takes away that issue. They got one of the lowest interest rates around versus a conventional loan. The VA loan has a better rate. And obviously, it's easy to qualify if you're in the military. All you need is your DD-214 and basically a certification of eligibility, and you can have this VA loan. The reason why I'm talking about this morning, because being in the military for over 27 years, everyone has a story, right? So a couple of months ago, I wanted to do a refinance. You see them all the time on the TV, the Rocket, right? The quick loan opportunity. Well, I called this company, and not only did they, give me the runaround, after 4.5 months, I didn't have a loan. I spoke to every single week. They transferred me to someone new. I was talking to a guy named Michael in California. Next thing I know, I'm talking to someone in Ohio. Next thing I know, I'm talking to someone in New York. And every week, they transfer me to a new person. Oh, I'm taking care of your loan now. After dealing with that for a while, I got a little frustrated. And being in the military, I meet a lot of different organizations that say, hey, we're going to help you out with your VA loan. And a lot of times, these VA companies pay the VA to be the representative. Looking into those companies, I found out that they charge origination fees. They charge different things that they say they're helping veterans, but at the end, they're getting their bottom dollar. They're getting money. So one day, I met a young man from American Hero Mortgage, Maury. He's here with us today. And Maury says, Abby, I'm going to help you out. So I told him, look, all I want to do is refinance my home. And he asked me a simple question. He goes, well, with the VA loan, you get zero down, and we probably can not only let you keep your house, but we probably can get you into a new house. And I told him, more, I like the fact that you look at me and say, you know what, an opportunity to get some money in my pocket. Because I was thinking, if I could hold my house and get into a new house, I think that'd be a great opportunity. We sat down. Within 3 days, I got my DD-214, I got my eligibility. Within a month, we found a home. And within 60 days, not only did I close on a brand new house, but I was able to keep my other house, and we were able to rent it out. Within 1 day putting my house, the one that I was living in, on the market, we had it rented out, number one. Number two, I had the second house that I was moving into. At closing, I put a good down payment, but one thing that he sat down, he says, hey, we got multiple offers on this house. The neighborhood that I moved into, it was a foreclosure. The neighborhood is about $500,000. I can't afford that, but the foreclosure was probably about $105,000 less. So we're looking at $395,000. The neighborhood goes for about $500,000. And he called me and says, hey, there's multiple offers and there's people that are offering cash. He says, I got an idea. He says, why don't you write your story to them on a one-page paper about your experience, who you are. So the advice from Maury, what I did was I wrote down, hey, my name is Abby Montes. I've been in the Marine Corps 27 years. I served in combat in '91 Desert Storm. I served in 2003 to Iraqi Freedom. I have a wife. I have 2 kids, and I see myself growing up in this house with my family. And the next thing, within 24 hours, he called me back and says, Abby, I got great news for you. That all-cash offer, they didn't accept those people's offer, but they took your offer. And I think it had to do with the fact that they saw not only just the name, but they saw the story behind the name. This house is going to a veteran. I put down a good face, $5,000. By the time we got to closing, I got about $3,500 back in my pocket. Maury didn't charge me origination fees. He got me pre-approved quickly. And we looked at it. What's the difference? I mean, you want to rent for your entire life, or do you want to own? Well, not only did I want to own another house, but I wanted to also be a landlord too. Right now, I'm making $650 extra a month on my other house. So from going from this other organization that was trying to get me, that couldn't even give me a loan, to keeping my house and buying a brand new house. It's a great opportunity. I'm going to tell you this. I get approached by a lot of organizations, a lot of people. And we were just talking about different organizations. I don't even want to mention those organizations that say they help the Marines, but their prices always seem to be higher. They're always trying to get something out of you. Maury from American Hero Mortgage didn't charge me those fees. Didn't charge me origination fees. Did everything that we had to do quick and easy. And I tell you this, I'm up here today and I'm happy. My wife, what do you say? Happy wife, happy life, right? Well, happy husband, happy life too, because I'm happy, my wife's happy, my kids are happy. And Furman, you've known me for many years. And we've worked together at a lot of organizations. And what we do is we get approached by some people that are basically trying to rip off veterans. I tell you this, American Hero Mortgage is not ripping you off, but they're there to help you out. So if you're looking for a house, you're looking to refinance, you're looking for a new property, you're looking just probably, you know, saying, man, what can I do with that VA loan I haven't used yet? Maury's here today. You can get his card. You can get more information. You can contact me, and I can let you know what I'm doing. But my objective one day is keep on building. Maybe my next property. I know where I'm going to go. I'm going to go to Maury with American Hero Mortgage. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.